Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of Peely Skin, and this one is the Agent Nana spray. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll be back to show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. Very cool looking Peely. So let's start out with his eyes, and this one is gonna be, it's kind of squinting on one of them. So we're gonna draw the big one first, and this one is basically kind of like an egg shape on his side. Okay, so that's one, and then right around here, halfway, just come across. Let's draw one line like that first. And then round it out on the bottom. So this is gonna be his other eye. All right, and then right in the middle here, let's go ahead and finish his mouth. Okay, so a little bit of a sad face. And then let me put in some highlights so it doesn't look so weird. Okay, I'm gonna draw a little tube inside and I'll shade around it. So this is the Agent Nana spray for Peely. Okay, so right here, a little bit longer highlight. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in the shape of the banana. So let's start out this side because this one's a little bit straighter. So from this eye, right in the middle, just kind of go up, give a slight curve on the top. And then let's go ahead and finish this out. I'm just gonna come across and then just flare out. This one's straight up. So that's gonna be the very tip of the banana. I'll just close that off. Okay, and then now on this side, I'm just gonna curve all the way down here. So just come right around here first. So that's gonna be the top portion. And then let's continue this down. And then on this side, we'll continue with this line. With this curve, just come down past this point. So his face is at an angle, so the middle is gonna be right around here. So right on his lip right here, just come straight down. You can make a little point. And then we'll connect these with straight lines. So this one's gonna be a lot longer. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little line here so we can see that's the center. Okay, and even up here, I'm just gonna add a little line. All right, so that's the trickiest part, and now let's finish up the banana right here, the peel. Just come up here. So this one's easy. We just draw a little curve and then just keep some thickness. Close it off. And then this side, just right around here, just curve up, slant, and then just come back in, same curve. And then on the inside right here, I'm just gonna draw one more curve. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on to the body. So the body is at a 3/4 view as well, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Okay, we're gonna start out on this side. We're just gonna come straight down and finish up this part first. So right on the corner, let's go all the way down. That's gonna be the bottom of the suit. And then from here, from this point, skip a little bit of space, come down. That's gonna be the armpit. And then on this part, we're gonna pinch it in. And then come back out, so that's the waist right there. And then we'll close this off with a straight line. Okay, and then let's draw in the inside. So back to the middle, just come down, make a little point. From this point, go up to this corner. So now we're drawing the suit, the collar. And then from this point here, just connect this. Okay, and then for the bow tie inside, just right in the middle, I'm just gonna draw a little circle. And then for the wings of the bow tie, I'm just gonna flare out. And then on this part, just slant it in and then hook it back in. So we're kind of following this curve. And actually, let me shade this in real quick. Okay, and if you want to add in the detail inside, just 2 straight lines for the shirt and then 2 dots for the buttons. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw in. Let's draw in this arm. This one's a little bit easier right here. So come down right around here. This is going to be the armpit. Start on this side right here. I'm just going to curve out. Same thing here. Let's curve out. Let's make it a little bit smaller here. Close it. And then one line here for the shirt. And then for the hand, it's really simple. Just two little curves coming out or two little lines. And then just round it back down. And then for the thumb, you can start on the bottom. Just come out first. Just close it off. Okay, so let's draw on the other one. And this one's a little bit trickier because it's holding the banana, but it's not too bad. I'm going to start up here. Curve all the way down. And then just kind of slant up. From this point here, just draw a little curve going this way. Okay, and then right here, slant down, and then we'll just connect that. Okay, and then right here, draw one more curve for the shirt. Okay, so now with the for the hand and the banana, so I'm just gonna come out here, okay? Just draw a little line like this first. And then right here, it's gonna be his thumb. Just draw a little egg shape right on top of the line. And then now for the continuing this line on the banana, just curve this. And then right here, I'm just gonna add a little box. That's gonna be the very tip of the banana. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the side of the banana. So we're gonna draw one big curve. From this corner, just curve down. Just kind of close that off. So it's right next to the thumb. And then right here, we're gonna draw his other fingers. So just curve. Just come out, and then just close it off. And then for his fingers, just two lines. Okay, so now we have a lot of shapes just kind of floating around. So we're gonna finish this off. Just close everything off. So here's the banana coming down. And then we're gonna continue with this curve. Just come down and then just gonna fill this in a little bit. Okay, and then to finish off the hand, okay, so just connect those, and then whatever space you have here, just draw a little line, close it off. Alright, so that's a very tricky banana with the hand. So now let's move on to his legs. And his legs are a lot easier. So let's start on this one first. This one is straighter, so it's a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna come down from the side. Go back to this. So here's the midpoint. I'm gonna come over slightly on this side. Make a little point, and then let's just taper it in. And then for his lower leg, we'll flare out just a little bit. And then we're gonna pinch it back in, very skinny here. And just go ahead and close it off. Because this thing's gonna be all black anyways, doesn't matter, we have extra lines inside. Okay, and then for his shoes, come down. And then right here is a little bit tricky. We're gonna slant down and draw a little step right here. And then once we have that, just start here, come down and just close it off. Okay, so then for his other leg, so I'm gonna start right here. Come down, just past this knee a little bit, and then come back up here. We're gonna slant down. Okay, so that's his knee right here. And then we're gonna continue this. Okay, so this one's gonna go all the way down here. So it's gonna be slightly longer because we're seeing at an angle. Start here, flare out, and then pinch it back in. And we can close this. And then for his other foot, this one's easy. We'll just flare out. And then on the very tip, we'll just round it off. And that is it for this Agent Nana spray. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.